Hi everybody, this is Sonia again. I just wanted to share a journal that I made recently. I don't think I'm really finished. I don't have a front topper or anything, but this was from some 12 by 12 paper. I'll just show you what I've done so far. I open up and I just have some things in a pocket. I made a little pocket. I have a little writing space here. I just put a sticker. These are just some extra paper. I have some cardboard that I had made some little ephemera, and I don't have a video on that, but there's a lot of people doing that. I took a piece, I put some lace and a ribbon, some little fabric, and hooked it onto a bullpen. I have some whimsical houses that I made recently. I have a video on that, and you could write on the back, the little houses. I have an envelope that I made from tracing paper. It's real crinkly, and I just made a little envelope, and then I just put some different kinds of ephemera in here. Some little stickers that I had, some faux stamps that I made, and just put them in here for this pocket. And I have some other nice paper and some coffee dye paper, but I had made a lot of envelopes from junk mail envelopes, and I have this one here I decorated, has windows. I have some little tags that I added in here, put some extra paper. I have several coffee dye pages I put really nice stickers on each page. So there's several places and plenty of pages to write on. I could add an embellishment to these two, but so far I haven't. In the center, I made a double pocket with a page, double pockets. I have a specimen card that I had made. I made a few of these a while back, and I just hooked it on there, a little specimen card. I have some other journal tags that I included in the pocket. And that was some collage. I had some extra paper that I had cut off. I just put a couple little stickers and put a little tab there, and just a little writing space. Some other cards some tags that I'd made a long time ago that I put in there, and sometimes I sew around these. That's in there. That's in the center, and I attached everything together with waxed thread, and then I have a 3-hole pamphlet stitch for the center. And there's some more pages to write on with stickers. I do have another pocket envelope that I decorated. Here's another specimen card that I made. I think this one turned out really nice. And then I just have a piece of extra paper that I decorated and made a flip that you could write on as well. And I think there's another pocket back here. It's another envelope. I just love the envelopes with the window in there, and they make nice pockets. So I put this on a file folder, and it was just a book page that I had torn out, put another sticker, you could write on the back. There's another collage tag that I made, just some various things. And I'll put this in the pocket. And so far, that's all I have done for this journal. I don't have a closure or anything, but I just wanted to share that with you and see what you think. Thanks for watching.